and welcome guys to a new episode of Digital and Tech. This is me, your host, OK, and today I have a very cool app for you. Well, this app will make motion in your stilled pictures. So let me start with this app and show you that how it works. So before starting the video, please subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed yet, because we keep uploading videos like this which are helpful for you. So also tap on the bell icon so that whenever our new video comes, you'll be notified for this. So let me open the app and show how it works. So the name of the app is StoryJud. Okay, so this is the app StoryJud. So click on this plus icon, and here are two options, motion and ripple. I'll use both the options and I'll show what these options do. So first of all, ripple. Well, now I'll select this photo here and I'll make motion in this. So I can crop here whatever size I want. So I'll select this and I'll crop. And you can see here tutorial example is also here. So if you want, you can watch. And how it works actually is, you need to simply tap the area where you want the motion, like this. So you can see this photo is fully still, nothing is in motion, and I'll make it in motion. Well, I have done. Now let's see how it looks. So you can see the man is in also motion, so I'll make some changes. Well, we have another option here called stabilize. You can see here this one. Well, when I click on this stabilize here, now with dots you can select the areas which you don't want in motion, like this. I am selecting here. Okay, so like this. Okay, done. So now let me see that, you can see now the waterfall is in motion. Okay, so then it's very cool app. Well, now after this you can simply click here and save it in your gallery. So now let's move to another option, that is motion. Okay, so I'll show you that how this motion works. So guys, now I'll click on motion and I'll show that how this option works. So like this, and I'll select again this image and I'll crop it because I want some like this. Okay, so yeah, so I want this much, and I'll show that how it works. Okay, so you can see this image, and here is option add video. So here I'll add a video, and if you want you can increase the speed. Okay, so now you are in eraser option. So wherever you want you can erase, like this. You simply need to splash your finger around it, the images where you don't want. Okay, so I'll do it. Okay, so I'll yeah sorry. mm, so I'll erase the portion. Like this. So you need to select the area how much you want, like this. So I'll do fast for you. So I'm done. So you can see the boys also shaded a bit, so I'll make it so like this. So currently I have not done perfectly. If you'll give time, it will be perfect. So I'll select the area where of this boy. Okay, you can see here. Again, I'll maintain it a bit. So now I'll play it. You can see the motion, the star. Okay, so well, this app is very good. You can download it and you can use it. Well, if you like the video, please subscribe our channel and give us a thumbs up. Okay guys, so thank you guys.